Hi, my name is Carlos with the Santana team. Today we're at 31 Golden Ave in Medford. I'm excited for you to take a look at this property. If you're looking for a 3-bed unit with an open floor plan, a finished basement with off-street parking, you need to come and walk through this property. At 31 Golden Ave Unit 1, we're at a great location. We are right by Maguon Square and Ball Square. We're also by Tufts University and its new Green Line extension. Feel free to check out any of our open houses this weekend. For more information, check out santanateam.com.